Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Naufal Faza, and my student ID number is 23224005. Today I'll be talking about Stuxnet. Now, most cyber attacks you hear about steal money or personal data, but Stuxnet was different. It was designed to cause physical damage to machines, specifically Iran's nuclear centrifuges. This makes it the first known example of a cyber weapon that crossed the digital world into the physical world. Stuxnet is a type of worm, which is a self-replicating malware that is aimed to spread to as many targets as possible by scanning the network for new targets. Stuxnet is special due to its ability to cause physical damage to machines, something that worms were not meant to do at the time. Experts believe it was made by the US due to the complexity and precision that would require nation-level resources. It targeted Iran's nuclear centrifuges and set back their development by several years. The Natanz uranium enrichment facility had an air gap, which is an isolated network disconnected from any external network, including the internet. Stuxnet was able to infect such a facility through infected USB drives, bypassing the air gap. Zero-day vulnerabilities are exploits that are unknown even to the system's manufacturer. Such things can be exploited by hackers to gain access to a system. What was most notable in this scenario was that Stuxnet made use of not just one, but 4 0 days to gain high-privileged access to target systems. Simply displaying malicious link will trigger the code without opening the file. The print spooler allowed remote code execution via local network if a print job contained a specific payload. The privilege escalation via kernel allowed Stuxnet to gain system privileges. And then, the task scheduler allowed Stuxnet to run code with high privileges by manipulating scheduled tasks. After infecting the host, Stuxnet begins to search specifically for the Siemens Step 7 program, which is a controller for programmable logic controllers, or PLCs. These are responsible for managing industrial machinery. After finding the Siemens Step 7 program, Stuxnet is designed to cause damage specifically to nuclear centrifuges by spinning the rotors erratically, then return to normal. This causes damage to machines over time. Stuxnet also camouflaged the readings on control systems so that operators do not notice any unusual behavior on the centrifuges. Experts estimate over 1,000 centrifuges were damaged. Now, what are the lessons that we can learn from this Stuxnet situation? We do learn that air-gap networks can still be breached by means of physical access. All site personnel should be educated in proper security measures to prevent breaches. Zero-day vulnerabilities are extremely dangerous and can cause disastrous effects if not patched immediately. And lastly, operators of sensitive machinery need to directly check the state of their machines instead of just blindly trusting sensor data, whereas sensors also need routine maintenance. That is all for my talk regarding Stuxnet. Thank you for your attention, and goodbye.